All right, here we go, back in the house with another open box video. Let's see, what do we got this time? I already removed the address. Why am I taking that off? I don't know, I just like to build up. Got to build up the anticipation. They're like, yes, build up what? Build up what? Anticipation. Do you feel it? All right. Go faster, you say, huh? Well, I try to save the materials so I can reuse them because I'm about to send some stuff out again. So hold on now. Hold on. Hold on. I tried to save it. I couldn't save it all. I saved most of it. This is a reusing stuff channel too when possible. Okay, I guess we'll just have to reuse this as some inside filler material. You bought some Girl Scout cookies? No, but I should have. They should have sent me some Girl Scout cookies in here, but not these ones, but I'll take these too. But I'm talking, you know which ones I want. They're like, why? Mike, why is it taking so long to open the box? Anticipation. They used to say I was like an assembly line at Christmas, so, you know, I slowed it down a little since back in the day. There's that a lack of presence. All right, what do we got here? It's a GoPro bag, and it's a GoPro case, and it's a whole bunch of GoPro stuff. Is there a GoPro in here? There's a key for a GoPro. What's this? I don't know, but it's something. All right, this is what I bought. I bought this. Yes, this is all extra. All this is extra. Let's get to the good stuff now. Is this the last video I'll make with this GoPro? Probably. Maybe not. Hello, GoPro to GoPro. What's cracking? All right, yep. I got a GoPro 7 Black because I didn't want to get something newer than a 8. I already have all this, the mounts. Well, this one came with all this stuff, so that's helpful. All right, we got the GoPro 7 Black. Yes, nice. And we got some type of remote starter for it, so I can warm up the GoPro when I'm still inside the house or something. Does it go on, or do we need batteries? This looks like something I probably won't use, but maybe I will. It probably needs some type of batteries. Does it? Maybe. We'll have to figure that out. It had a key for it. Oh yeah, this to charge it. I don't know. Don't just. Yeah, that's a charger. What's this thing? I don't know. I guess I'll figure it out. Does it have something to do with this? Because I feel like it might. All right, good video, Mike. Good, thank you. All right, I needed another one of these. I was really just in it for the cord. All this stuff right here is just all extra. Down to this case, because I already have one. Actually, this is a GoPro case. Oh no, this is another GoPro item. I'll try to tuck it all in together, but yeah, here's this dual battery charger, 2 batteries. This is the main reason I bought it. My GoPro 7 that I use is a GoPro white, I think, and you cannot change the batteries on it. So when I run out of space, or I mean when I run out of battery, I gotta go charge it to the car or something, or just wait till the next day. All right, let's turn this bad boy on. I think I did. We just have some new type of game going on here. Or is the battery dead? I saw it go on for a second. It is used. It is used. Felt like it did something. I feel like these are going to need to be charged. Oh no, I knew one of them should give me something. Oh wait, it's upside down. Okay. How do I change? Oh, wow, okay. It flipped up now. No SD, 28% battery. All types of settings and stuff I'm gonna have to get used to using. And it looks pretty good. It has the little scratches on the screen, kind of, but not really. No SD, I thought it came with one. Oh well, I got one. And I think I could change this. Like that just moved around. That was me you were looking at. Is it time to read some settings? I don't want this thing to be flipping. I don't like how the screen flips around. I hate that. We're gonna have to get rid of that. Alright, needs an SD card. So I'm gonna turn all those beeps off. Same button to turn it on with. Yay. Yeah, we're definitely gonna have to do some. I don't even. No. Video. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go through all this. Auto stabilization, 4K 60 FPS, low light auto, pro tune, white balance. I forgot how to run all this. Ooh, do I get rid of the, I forget if I get rid of the fisheye now. Alright, I'm gonna have to do some, I'll do that on my own time, which is gonna be right now. But yeah, that's everything I got. And I got this. And the price went up on these too. And it came with the manuals and stuff. What? And a sticker. What? Yeah, the price was going up on these. Like more people are wanting them. I guess there's a good camera. All right, we got a little bit of this action. All this action right here. All of this. We're gonna figure it out. I'm gonna put this key in there too because I feel like that might get lost. Probably should hook this up. This can go in here. I guess he was just finding stuff at the last second. I'll take it. I ought to put all that in here probably. Hey, well, like I say, I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take it. Yes. All right, so there it is. GoPro 7 Black. And I got this too. Old clamp. And this for the 7 Black. I forget what mine looks like. So yeah, we're gonna have to figure all this out. I feel like I gotta get it set up like this one right now so I could just throw it on, but then I gotta figure out the SD card. So yeah, I got a lot to work with, one thing at a time. But I knew I had to get something with some batteries in it. Hopefully these batteries are good still. I had to get something with some batteries in it, I think, because I kept wanting to metal detect and my batteries were dead. So now I should have a backup battery, and I could even charge, maybe I could charge one while I'm using the other one, and I could even buy more. Alright, so there it is. I'm still using this GoPro though. Don't get it twisted. But yeah, I got this stuff. It was like 165, I think. It was a little less than that. So I gotta start using it, make sure it all works, or else I'm gonna have to send it back. So I just got it today, and I'm gonna charge these batteries and probably start using it tomorrow, the next day, or soon. So we'll be back. There it is. GoPro Black 7. Now I got 2 GoPros. Yes. And I could change off this lens if I need to. It looks pretty good though. All right, we'll be back.